up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Cheese. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of everything that I got. So let's just get right into it. Y'all think this is Minnie? No. I got Mickey. I got another weighted plush. Yes, I did. And I went ahead and I got Mickey. He is so cute, so adorable. He is the same 2.5 pounds, and I absolutely love him. Another anxiety plush, and I absolutely love him. He is so cute. So yeah, I couldn't resist. I had to get him. And so now I have Minnie, Stitch, Pua, and Mickey. Yeah, okay. So let's just get right into the other items, but I wanted to show y'all that first. Now, I got him from Target. He was $34.99 cheaper, a couple dollars cheaper than the ones that I got from the park. Those were $40, but he was $34.99 at Target. And yeah, so I went ahead and got him. He's so cute. Look at him laying down. All right, now the next thing I got was another Aquaphor. I love me some Aquaphor. I have to have it in my bag. If you're wondering why my lips are crusty, we'll get to that later. But yeah, I had to get me another Aquaphor. I absolutely love Aquaphor. I keep this one, the small ones, in my purse. So yeah, I was out of it. I use Aquaphor on literally everything. Okay, and let's get to why my lips are dusty and crusty. Okay, so the first thing I got is this Makeup Revolution Chilled Balm Cannabis Sativa Infused Lip Oil. And what's so actually, yeah, I'm gonna do this one first. What's so cool about this is it's actually chilled, right? Do y'all see that? Like, it's just shooting out. I don't know what this is, what kind of technology this is. Do you see that? I don't know what causes it to do that, but yeah, I got this off of Amazon and it was $7. So I was like, yeah, why not? But this is a Chilled Balm Cannabis Sativa Infused Oil, and this is by Makeup Revolution. Amazon, $7. Okay. And this is definitely chilled. It feels like a peppermint patty on your lips, but looks good. We love. Now the next one that I got was literally $4. Make sure I get all. Okay, hey fuzzies, what y'all doing? Stay a while. All right, now my lips are raw. Raw lips. So this is the one that everyone has been talking about on TikTok. All right, they've been looking for dupes of the Dior lip oil, and somebody found one on Amazon. It was $7. I got the same one they got, the dupe. And I only paid $4 for this on Amazon. Literally, it was $4. So I don't know if it's because I have Prime or what, but yeah, this was $4. So this is the Lip Glow Oil Color Reviver in Cherry Oil. Yeah, that's all I say. I cannot bring myself. I will never be able to bring myself to pay $40 for a lip oil. I have problems paying $25 for Fenty. You understand what I'm saying? And I love Fenty, but I was like, I need, alternative options because I don't want to keep paying $25. So yeah. Cute. Real cute. And y'all, I went to sleep with this on last night, it definitely lasts. And this is $4. The dupe, $4. $4. So yes, I will definitely be rebuying this as long as it is available for purchase. I will definitely be repurchasing on Amazon for $4. Definitely will be repurchasing on Amazon for $7. Yes, absolutely. As long as they sell weighted plushies, I'm going to buy them. Absolutely. Because I don't know what they're doing. And they're good for anxiety. It's weighted. I think the weight just helps with my anxiety. And also you can take him out as well. You can take out the weight if you need to wash him or whatever. You can take the weight out. And yeah, so cute. Definitely worth all of the money. Like I said, he was $34.99, but if he was $40, I would have definitely paid $40 because he's definitely worth it. Now on Shop Disney, they're a little bit more expensive. They're $40, but definitely worth it. Definitely worth the money. I bought Pool on Shop Disney, and I actually bought Minnie at World of Disney at the parks. I got Stitch from Target, and I got Mickey from Target, and super glad I did. Yeah, so we just gonna be chilling like a villain. Alright, y'all, so that was it for this video. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you guys so much for following me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Cheese 98. I don't know, y'all. We going up on TikTok. We got 22K on TikTok, and I couldn't be more happier because I really fuck with y'all, and I'm glad y'all fuck with me. And thank you so much for allowing this channel to grow, because without y'all, this channel wouldn't be shit. You understand what I'm saying? So thank you so much for just fucking with me and sticking with me. And I just hope y'all love my content as much as I enjoy making this content, because I really do. I enjoy making this content. And yeah, so yeah, say bye, Nikki. All right, y'all, peace.